In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect MT5 with Vantage. Now, the first thing you want to do here on Vantage, you want to sign into your account, go to the Accounts tab, and then first create either a live or demo account. And after you do this, you'll receive your credentials to sign into MT5 onto your email, okay? So, of course, just go to Open Account here, select Demo or Live, and then select MetaTrader 5. This is the most important part. And then, of course, fill all this in, click Submit. Your account is going to be created and your credentials are going to be sent to your email. After you do that, you're going to have your credentials. Go to MT5, open it up on your computer, click on File top left, and then click on Open an Account. Here, you want to look for Vantage, okay? And then you want to click on the Find Your Company button. Whenever you do this here, it's going to basically find Vantage for you, and inside your email, you'll be able to see which of these versions you want to use. So for me, it says my server is Vantage International, so I'm going to go with this one over here, and I'm going to click on Next. Whenever you do that here, it's going to take you to a separate tab where you can then click on Connect with an existing trade account, paste in your account number, which is the MT5 login inside your email. And then you also have to paste in your MT5 password again inside your email as well. And then here you want to select the server. For me, it's the demo one, so this one. And then you want to click on Finish. And just like that, there we go. As you can see, I'm now connected with my demo account to MT5 with my Vantage account. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.